Hello students, let's continue chapter number 6, ICT applications. Today we will discuss about applications in manufacturing industries and school management system. For video of complete chapter, you can go to playlist. Let's start with topic number 6.6, applications in manufacturing industries. Robotics. Robots are programmed with a sequence of instructions, and that instructions are stored in the memory. So basically the sequence of instructions are programmed and stored in the memory. So robots are used in manufacturing to help to improve the productivity. They can be used in factory for the various reasons. Some of the reasons are they can be used for lifting heavy items, for assembling parts together, to paint items, and for manufacturing microchips. So what are the advantages of using robotics? They can work 24/7, no need to give them the break. They are more consistent and more accurate. They are more productive. For example, if human can do 10 tasks a day, robotics can do 100 tasks a day. So they are more productive. Can work in the extreme conditions also where human person cannot do. No need to be paid regularly, for example, monthly basis or weekly basis. It has some disadvantages also. They cannot easily adopt the situation which is not programmed, because they can only perform the instructions that are programmed and that are stored in the memory. So if the situation is different, they cannot easily adopt that situation. Initial cost for purchasing robotics and maintenance cost can be high. People are being de-skilled. De-skilled mean they are not utilizing their skill. They can do their tasks, they have the skill, but they are not doing that. Robotics are doing instead of human being. So people are being de-skilled. People can even lose their jobs because many of the tasks are done by the robotics, so people can lose their jobs. Next topic, school management system. Use of ICT in school management system. So schools are required to record and to store information about their students. They have to manage the registration, they have to manage the attendance information, they have to record the learner performance, they have to create the timetable, they have to organize the examinations. So if you're using ICT, what are the advantages? It provides up-to-date student information, easy searching, easy update, easy report printing, and parents can see their child's progress online. What are the disadvantages? They are expensive to buy. Softwares that are used for school management system are expensive to buy. Personal data must be secured. Personal data, your name, your phone number, their addresses, they must be secured. For the complex system, staff needs to be trained. First of all, learner registration and attendance in school management system. Learners can be registered for particular class, section, or particular period. For example, grade 9, grade 10, or section A, B. Particular period mean for business period, for IT period. So for particular period, even they can be registered. It allows teachers to know who should be attending the class, the number of students also, and the name of the students. Data for attendance can also be easily entered by using the OMR technologies. This is just a picture of a database. Students are linked with each other, classes, teacher, and the students' enrollment are linked with each other so that you can easily get the data about the student. This is picture of attendance sheet. OMR optical mark reader, we have already learned about that this is a reader that reads a mark made with a dark pencil. You just mark that, then put this data into the computer, it will automatically calculate the result. Okay, it will automatically calculate the number of days, the present and the absent days. Second, you have to record the learner performance. Teachers are able to log student data, their grades, their application, their reports, their behavior into a school management system. This data is then available centrally storage, means centrally available to anyone other members of staff. Let's suppose your data, teachers have logged that data, your head of the department, your vice principal, your principal can see that data that is available to all the staff members related to you. The data can be analyzed and reports can be produced. What are the benefits for the parents? Parents are able to log in and access students' reports online. They can receive immediate feedback and there will be no need for printed reports. You can see online. And the last one is organizing exams and creating timetables. Timetables can be produced using management systems. They are generally very quicker to create and they are less error prone as compared to the paper-based system. Timetables can also be produced, cover classes when teachers are absent and lessons need to be covered. Exam timetables can be produced using management systems, and teachers who are not teaching could be easily allocated to invigilate exams that are easy to modify as compared to the paper-based timetable. That is all for the school management system. Thank you very much for listening.